Attention ladies! You need to listen to this really quick message and testimonial for Nikki Golly. Thanks to her, every single month I feel that much more comfortable during that time of the month. Before, I just used to be an average person using Tampax, tampons and pads. However, it always left me not feeling so great at the end of that week. And so in order to feel comfortable, truly comfortable, not only physically, but also mentally, knowing I'm not being wasteful, she has hooked me up to have a party in my pants every single month. You should reach out to Nikki Golly to get a coupon code in order to save extra on those pads. And they'll even give you a tester pad. It might feel a little weird at first. However, honestly, after probably day 2 or 3, you're gonna feel so much better. And like I said, you're not going to be wasting. So you're gonna be helping yourself and helping the environment. Reach out to Nikki Golly to start having a party in your pants every month.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't become part of the tribe yet, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell so you never miss a beat. If you want some more inspiration and motivation directly from me, please get on my email list at 2fuelyourbody.com and make today the best day yet.